Hi, this is Daniel DiTuro. Can you spot deceptive marketing practices? In this video, I'll share examples of legal and illegal marketing practices businesses use to sell consumer products. Free enterprise requires consumers to separate marketing fact from fiction. In many cases, consumers lack the knowledge or expertise. Businesses and politicians decry government interference, except when it can be used to increase profits, like boasting a product is FDA cleared or compliant when the product was never reviewed by the FDA, or using reviews from older products known as hijacking to increase a new product's sales, and using actors dressed as doctors to imply doctor-developed or recommended products. Some Americans want to buy products made in the USA, including food. The fact meat, poultry, and eggs are labeled product of USA does not mean they are a product of the USA. Current USDA voluntary labeling allows some animal products shipped to the USA to be labeled product of USA. Unless the label says raised and harvested in the USA, it's probably imported. Mass-produced foods can legally be labeled homemade, even when made with ingredients not sold to consumers. Without legal definitions, premium and traditionally crafted are meaningless. Canned pork and beans used to include a large piece of salt pork. Can you spot the pork? Don't be disappointed if you didn't. There's more baking soda than pork. Do you know why this ceramic bowl handle has 2 holes? Negative reviews complain about the handles filling with water. This reviewer believes there's a reason for the holes, but doesn't know what it is. The manufacturer claims they're for draining water after washing. The best location for a drain hole is at the end of the handle. So what are the holes for? Air expands when heated. One example is tire air pressure. Tires inflated to 36 psi at 60 degrees increases to 50 psi at 200 degrees. Kiln temperatures for fired ceramics is between 1800 and 2400 degrees. Without vent holes, inside air pressure will crack or break thin, hollow parts. The same way a pressure cooker vents steam to prevent it from exploding. In reality, the holes are for venting air during firing, not for draining water. Companies love emphasizing how long they've been in business and their high-quality ingredients. Ingredients like high fructose corn syrup did not exist commercially 100 years ago. This cookie originated in 1912. Many of today's ingredients were not available in 1912. Food makers routinely change ingredients to save money. Marketing terms like new and improved usually indicates the ingredients have changed. The quality ingredients for this product omits synthetic chemical additives. The real ginger in this soft drink comes from synthetic natural flavor, not ginger root. Like new and improved foods, beware of new or improved products. The product is essentially unchanged except for the quantity. Can sizes are the same, but you get more liquid and less solids. In this example, The container size and price are the same, but the weights are different. Air Pockets allows 13 ounces to fill a 15-ounce container. In the retail business, shrinkage means losses due to theft. For foods and products, shrinkage means paying more for less. Food photos are notoriously bad representations of the actual product, even when enlarged to show detail. The fact free enterprise allows food makers to deceive you is your problem, not theirs. U.S. courts have upheld a food maker's right to use deceptive photos. Their rationale is no reasonable consumer expects the actual product to look like its photo. In 2023, reasonable consumers filed 30 class action lawsuits challenging deceptive food photos and misleading liquid laundry detergent load numbers. Asterisks and other symbols are red flag warnings something is not as it appears. Unlike pods, where one pod equals one load, you may get 146 loads using the minimum amount of detergent. Replacing an air conditioner is a major expense. Some companies include 2 to 5 years of free scheduled maintenance. In reality, it's not free. The cost is included in the price. A local 5-star company compressed 3 years of maintenance into 2 years. Annual maintenance is supposed to reduce electricity costs and avoid costly repairs. Why should a new, expensive, high reliability air conditioner even need maintenance during the first 5 years? Most automakers do not require annual air conditioner maintenance. Unlike the US, the European Union has strict food labeling laws. When you pay more for extra virgin olive oil, you know you're buying extra virgin olive oil. In the US, a low-grade olive oil can be labeled and sold as extra virgin. Any sparkling wine can be called champagne. Any hard grating cheese can be called Parmesan. Fresh is supposed to mean unprocessed. Cut-up packaged fruit with preservatives to maintain color and freshness is not unprocessed. Free enterprise means the same vehicle repair can cost several hundred to several $1,000s, assuming the repair is needed. Like healthcare, some businesses have a charge master. You pay the same amount whether the repair takes an hour or 4 hours. The same with plumbers and electricians. For years, I wanted to add an outlet on the opposite side of this wall. I knew an experienced electrician could install it in less than 30 minutes. I estimated it would cost between $150 to $230. One company quoted $330. Installing the outlet myself cost less than $20. To exaggerate countertop oven capacity, some manufacturers use quarts instead of cubic feet. Oven and microwave oven capacities are normally in cubic feet. Pots and pan sizes are in quarts and liters. Is the capacity in dry or liquid quarts? The difference is about 15%. Also, beware of lifetime warranties. Free enterprise lifetimes are less than you think. It usually means the product's expected life, not your lifetime. The maker of this product provides 18 months of lifetime service. Some businesses go beyond deception to fraud. Several years ago, medical providers cut costs by eliminating paper bills for insured patients. It's up to insured patients to carefully examine their explanation of benefits for fraudulent procedures and charges. Prison is home to free enterprise doctors and dentists convicted of insurance fraud. The cost of fraud is passed on to the insured, uninsured, and taxpayers. These are just a few examples how unregulated free enterprise promotes corporate profits, not huge savings for consumers. Please leave a comment if you have any questions about this video. Thank you for watching.